Good morning, everybody. I'm First Alert meteorologist Dennis Brown in the First Alert Weather Center, along with meteorologist Brittany Rainey. And today is a weather alert. We're tracking showers and thunderstorms that are strong and even severe in parts of the area. Cold front moving in. The Metroplex is dry for now, at least most of it, but we have severe weather over to our west here that we're tracking a couple severe thunderstorm warnings, and you'll see them highlighted. Eastland, Palo Pinto County, Stevens County until 4:30 this morning. Also Comanche County, Eastland, and Erath counties until about 4:30 this morning. We're tracking winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, about 65 miles an hour. And there's even a little rotation from some of these thunderstorms as they're moving mainly to the east at about 40 to 45, up to 50 miles an hour with the movement. There goes Breckenridge on the map there. Heavy rain along 180 and 183 here. Again, moving to the northeast. Some localized flooding is not out of the question. If you're an early riser about to head out the door, just understand even on I-20 here toward Eastland, if you're going eastward, even westward for that matter, we're still going to have some heavy rain and some gusty winds about 60 to 65 miles an hour. A bit farther to the south here, you'll see in some rural areas toward County Road 124, 123 there, and 116 and even 113. This is in parts of Comanche County here. We have showers and thunderstorms that are generally moving to the east. And so you'll see it headed toward Comanche at about 4:03 this morning, toward about Palo Pinto 4:13. Okay, so 4:13, the worst of this will be right on top of you with gusty winds, the potential for even some small hail, likely penny-sized hail. The Dublin community at 4:18. How about Stephenville at 4:23, Mineral Wells at 4:25. You see toward the Alvord community at 4:34, Bridgeport at 4:37, Hamilton at 4:42, and Weatherford and Parker County at 4:48. This line of showers and thunderstorms, really the strongest to our south here along this line, will continue pushing in your direction, and that will cause our weather to go downhill. All right. Still have some time in parts of the Metroplex. You'll see the general movement of these showers and storms. Got a couple showers here in parts of Collin County, just south of Sherman as well. But this is really what we're tracking, this line here, as that front continues making its way a bit closer to our viewing area. So you got a couple warnings here. They go until about 4:30 this morning, and then we'll see this line progressing. Right now, the severe thunderstorm watch that we have for parts of the area, it goes until 6 a.m. It does not include the Metroplex right now, but we're keeping an eye on it, Brittany, because these storms, as they move in our direction, well, things will go downhill even for areas in the Metroplex over the next couple of hours.
That's exactly right. So on that morning drive, a lot of you are going to be impacted. You're going to want to leave yourself extra time to get to your destination. And if you do have that severe thunderstorm warning issued for your area and it's on your morning commute, if you can, allow that severe thunderstorm to move through the area. It's going to be a lot easier for you out there on the roadways, a lot less hazardous. As Dennis mentioned, we're also looking at some localized ponding as well with some of those higher rainfall rates. So on First Alert Futurecast, we are going to continue to see this line tracking eastward, moving right through the Metroplex around 4 to about 7 to 8 a.m. So that's when a lot of you are heading out there on the roadways, heading off to school. Even at 7:15 this morning, we are still going to be tracking showers and thunderstorms on First Alert radar. Around 8:30, we could have a lingering shower or thunderstorm around the Metroplex, but overall, the general trend is going to be drier as we get right around midday, and then we'll even see some sunshine as we head into those afternoon hours. Now we have a great weekend on the way, but Dennis and I are going to continue to track these showers and thunderstorms right through our morning show for you on CBS News Texas. We're starting early this morning. You can catch us at 4:30, and we'll definitely be on your streaming as well.